So just not that good character between human to human, but we should show a good character between us and our God. We give him the due respect. For example, if a son is not respecting his father, yung isang anak hindi respeto sa tatay niya, we call him a bad character. Pangit na ugali, hindi maganda ugali. Same way, we should give the due respect. We should give the due respect to our God. Allah said in the Quran, وَقَالُوا تَخَذَ الرَّحْمَنُ وَلَدًا لَكَ جِئْتُمْ شَيْئًا إِدًّا. Sabi in Allah sa Quran, that they are attributing God, that God beget a son. What is the meaning beget? Like the John 3:16. Sabi nila, God so loved, so He gave His only begotten son, not made, not created. Hindi lika. Begotten son. Ano ibig sabihin ng begotten? If you go to the dictionary, and you open the dictionary, begotten, the begotten means to sire. In another meaning, the begotten meanings that you have to become a male parent. You have to become a male parent through a sexual relation. When a child, when a man is going to have a wife or a girlfriend, and he is going to have a sexual relation, and because of that sexual relation, the child will born, that child will be called the begotten son of that father. So how this word, the begotten son, can be attributed to belongs to God, that God has a begotten son. And the greatest scholar of the Bible, the New Testament, who has a PhD in the New Testament, Bart Ehrman, a Christian theologian. He is the greatest scholar for all Christianity today in the world. And the Bart Ehrman said the John 3:16 is a concoction, is a fabrication. It's not in the manuscript. It's not in the original manuscript. It is just fabrication. Ginawa ng tao yung John 3:16. It's not from the original manuscript. Because it has an insult to God. It is considered as an insult to God Almighty Allah that He beget a son. He has a begotten son. So that is one of the considered as a bad character. Bad character is we can have a large list of a good character and a large list of a bad character. For example, if we can go out of our character with our God, we can go on with what should be our character with the prophets. Like the Prophet Muhammad, or Prophet Jesus, or Prophet Abraham, or Prophet Moses, or Prophet Noah, Prophet Jacob, Prophet Adam. We believe there are 124,000 prophets, and we need to respect them. And it is considered as a good character. That we respect all the prophets like Jesus or Muhammad or Moses or Adam. We respect them a lot. We respect them more than our parents. More than any human being, we respect them. To Jesus, to Muhammad, Abraham, Moses, all the prophets, we must respect them. It is considered as a good character. Like nowadays, it is very common in the media, they insult the prophet. Like sometimes they make a movie which is insulting Prophet Jesus. Like in the Netflix, they made a movie which is insulting Prophet Jesus, and we don't accept it. We protest that. Like some people are making some movies and cartoons against Prophet Muhammad. It is also wrong. It is against a good character. It is a bad character. Like now some leaders in the world, even they are not Muslim, they are saying that freedom is not to allow people to insult the Prophet. Like the Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, he gave the statement publicly to the whole world that freedom of expression is not that you insult the Prophet. Either if he's the Prophet Muhammad, or Prophet Jesus, or Prophet Moses, or Abraham, Adam, Noah, any prophet. We should not insult them, and we should respect all the prophets of God Almighty Allah.